through geometry, we don't just learn maths, we learn how to think. So, another episode of Maths Vaani brings the bisectors of alternate interior angles to you. However, for this, first we need to understand what are alternate interior angles. So, let us see that. First, we have a pair of parallel lines. So, parallel lines का मतलब होता है कि AB और CD कभी भी एक दूसरे से मिलेंगी नहीं जब तक ये डिस्टिंक्ट लाइंस रहेंगी, मतलब अलग अलग लाइंस रहेंगी. PQ इज़ अ ट्रांसवर्सल. सो ट्रांसवर्सल का मतलब बहुत ही सिंपल है, एक ऐसी लाइन जो किन्हीं भी दो या दो से ज़्यादा लाइंस को मिलती हुई चलती चली जाए. जैसे PQ चलती जा रही है, CD से मिली, फिर AB से मिली. Such a line is known as a transversal. So when these lines are parallel, तो ये जो ट्रांसवर्सल है ये बहुत सारे एंगल्स बना रहा है इन लाइंस के साथ. यहाँ, इधर, 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 ऐसे यहाँ भी कुछ एंगल्स बना रहा है. इसमें से जब हम ये वाला पेयर ऑफ एंगल्स लेते हैं, दिस पेयर ऑफ एंगल्स इज नोन एज alternate interior angle. Now, what do we exactly mean by alternate interior angle? It actually means alternate. The word alternate means इधर उधर, एक एंगल ट्रांसवर्सल के इधर, एक एंगल ट्रांसवर्सल के उधर, and both of them are interior. That means between these parallel lines. And if we notice over here, these two angles will be equal to each other. No matter where we move the transversals, if one angle changes, the other angle will also change, but they continue to be equal. Now, however, we are dealing with bisectors of these alternate interior angles. So let us first bisect this angle. So GE is a line which is bisecting this particular angle into two equal halves. आधा आधा बांट दिया. Likewise, HF is bisecting this interior angle into two equal halves. आधा आधा बांट दिया. Now let us see if these two angles are equal to each other. And we can generally see that by moving these points, that no matter where we take them, but these two angles will be equal to each other throughout. Because जब complete angle equal है तो उसका half भी equal होगा. Something like if 10 is equal to 10, then obviously 5 is equal to 5. Because 5 10 का आधा है. Now we are interested in knowing if GE is parallel to FH. उसके लिए पहले GE और FH को highlight कर लेते हैं. So let us see this. When we look at GE and FH, ये एक alphabet Z बना रहा है. और ये alternate interior angles की एक खास बात होती है. When alternate interior angles are equal, then the lines become parallel. First statement में lines parallel थी, that is why alternate interior angles were equal. And over here, because the angles have become equal in statement 2, therefore these lines will become parallel. This is the converse of the same. Hence, these bisectors will become parallel to each other. Hope this helped you. So if you like this, please share and subscribe too. ज्योमेट्री पढ़ लो, दिमाग शार्प रखो. फ्री का ब्रेन वर्कआउट है ये ज्योमेट्री. थैंक यू.